Have you ever wondered what it would be like to eat only animal products? Welcome to the world of the carnivore diet. This diet is a focus on consuming primarily animal products and excludes most other food groups. It's a unique dietary approach with its own set of rules. To make it easy to comprehend, here are the main tenets of the carnivore diet listed for you. First, the carnivore diet involves eating only animal-based foods. This includes meat such as beef, pork, lamb, poultry, and game meat. Fish and seafood like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and shellfish are also included. Animal fats, eggs, organ meats, and full-fat dairy products are part of this diet. Second, all plant-based foods are to be avoided. This includes all types of vegetables and fruits, grains and legumes such as wheat, rice, oats, beans, lentils, and all varieties of nuts and seeds. Sugars and sweeteners of all types are also off the menu. Third, it's important to limit or avoid processed foods. Some highly processed meats contain additives and fillers, so it's better to stick to unprocessed options when possible. Pre-packaged foods are generally avoided unless they contain only carnivore-approved ingredients. Fourth, the primary hydration sources are water and bone broth. Bone broth is rich in nutrients, making it a good addition to the diet. Fifth, managing electrolytes is crucial. Ensuring adequate salt intake to balance electrolytes is necessary, and considering supplements like potassium and magnesium may be necessary to avoid deficiencies. Sixth, adapting to the diet gradually is key. Allowing your body time to adapt to the diet, which may include symptoms like fatigue or digestive changes, is important. Consistency with food choices will allow your body to fully adjust. Seventh, it's vital to listen to your body. Eat until comfortably full and don't force food if not hungry. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust as needed. Eighth, considering health monitoring is crucial. This is especially important for individuals with pre-existing conditions or concerns about nutrient deficiencies. Regular checkups to monitor cholesterol, vitamin levels, and overall health markers are recommended. Lastly, staying informed and educated about the diet's principles and any new findings or modifications is important. Joining support groups or forums for tips, recipes, and encouragement from others following the diet can be beneficial. Remember, the carnivore diet is quite restrictive and may not suit everyone. Therefore, always consider consulting with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. So, if you're up for the challenge and ready to embrace your inner carnivore, this might just be the diet for you.